Sema kuna hii inaitwaje? Sijui ni cloud chess ama ni nini, kama ile yenye walifanya na Eric Omondi, wakafanya ni kama hata wanapigana kabisa. Kumbe hata si kupigana, ni watu wamecreate kitu kutoa attention kwa watu. Sasa hii ya Bolo na Obina sidhani. Anyway, tutajua tuko mbele mbele ikiendelea. Karibuni sana na have a look.
Oh God, the top. Happy new week. Happy new week. Let's go out and win, man. It's another week to re-strategize, replan, and attack. Anywho, in other news, nasikia ule fundi ya huko Mombasa na ni discuss. Bwana, can you focus? Yani, you're in Mombasa with your wife, and instead of having a good time, you're calling a press conference to talk about me. What's wrong with you? Kwanza hebu rudi Nairobi nishone suti. Oh, Obina this, Obina that. Kwani mimi niliambia bibi yako anijue before nikujue. Check you mtu. As if bana, we are just friends. We were just friends since then. We've always been friends. Nothing happened. Nothing is going to happen. Yeah, so relax. Calm down your tears. Okay.
And let's talk about your issue with Oga Obina. You guys have had back and forth hapa kule, mara kidogo nikaona Mwini akasema mnamuingiza kwa stories zenu. And I would like to know issue kubwa yako na Oga Obina ni nini? What is wrong with you guys? Ni nini mnapigania? Ama kuna kitu ambacho labda hamtuambia?
Oga Obina is my number one enemy. I have a very big personal problem with Obina. Why? Obina hates me. Obina has in his mind, he thinks that my wife is kwa level yake, and he feels that, you know, we've been with women, so he thinks that my wife is part of that. Bro, my wife is on a next level. So that is the problem I have with Obina. Obina doesn't know that I'm way above him. And every time I do something, he tries to pull me down to his level. Why would you want to compare with me? Why are we even talking about Obina? Ask me constructive questions, not Obina. That level to repeat at 2024.
Did you mona like mtandao, you guys, Obina naongea hivyo, unaongea hivi. Jana you warned him kumwambia atoe bibi yako kwa mdomo yake, kama hizo. And so many people want to know kitu kikubwa ambacho mnasumania na Obina ni kipi. Kuna siri ambazo hutaki kutuambia Bolo, wanasema labda mambo ni mengi sana.
Mimi sina shida na Obina. Obina ndiye akona shida na mimi.
Mnaweza kaa chini muongee solve.
I cannot meet Obina. Why else would I have that time to meet Obina? That's why my wife has never commented about this issue, because you cannot have that time. It's me to deal with it. And I told Obina, if he has a problem with me, let him face me directly. Na niski. And pale mepeka sasa itabidi nime act.
What are you going to do?
You wait for it. The world will know what I will do to this guy. No, my wife will not comment, because it's me to deal with it. Obina begged me to do the interview for the last 2-3 years since my wedding. You remember my traditional wedding? Obina has been on my DM. But now me, I don't share screenshots. But Obina has been begging me over and over, Bolo, please, come for my show. When I eventually give him a show, now you see things have blown up.
Do you regret going?
It's a good